From steel, copper, paper, and oil, the transformer's journey quietly begins.
Before power can be controlled, every material must first prove its purity. This grain-oriented steel will soon become the silent magnetic heart of the machine. Beside the steel core, pure copper waits to carry enormous currents with calm precision. Every conductor will need a dry, disciplined barrier between raw energy and perfect control. Even the outer shell must be strong enough to protect decades of silent service. The oil must be clean, dry, and ready to cool and insulate the transformer from within. Across this immense floor, hundreds of precise actions will become one perfectly balanced machine. Now the steel is cut into laminations that will guide magnetic flux with minimal loss. Order matters here, because a quiet transformer begins with perfect geometry. Layer by layer, the magnetic path is built to be efficient, stable, and quiet. The heart of the transformer rises one compressed layer at a time. The upper yoke locks the path of magnetism into a complete and disciplined loop. To remain silent under load, the core must be held with powerful restraint. Even the smallest imperfection can become noise, heat, or loss. The conductor is wrapped carefully because power must flow without ever touching what surrounded it. Here the low-voltage winding begins, dense, strong, and built for immense current. Turn by turn, the first coil gathers the strength to carry heavy current without strain. Inside the coil, invisible channels are formed so heat can escape with ease. The coil is tightened so it can endure electromagnetic force without ever drifting from its shape. The high-voltage winding demands a gentler rhythm, where every layer shapes electric stress. Each quiet revolution adds insulation balance and voltage endurance. Between layers, paper creates the calm distance that high voltage requires. What appears repetitive is actually controlled variation, shaping how the electric field will behave. These emerging leads will later connect the hidden windings to the outside world. Where geometry changes, insulation must become even more disciplined. With the final turns laid down, the coil becomes ready to face immense electrical stress. Before assembly, every dimension must match the design with quiet exactness. The winding is secured so that nothing shifts when power surges through it. Now the wound coils leave their quiet station and approach the magnetic core.
To receive the coils, the core is opened with patient, deliberate control.
The first coil settles onto the limb with almost no room for error.
Around the inner winding, the outer coil finds its precise and insulated place. These quiet barriers define the distances that high voltage must respect. With the coils in place, the core closes again, and the transformer begins to look alive. Now the active part is restrained to withstand vibration, fault force, and time itself. Inside the transformer, current paths are guided as carefully as the magnetic path itself. At the joints, conductivity and craftsmanship must become one.
While the active core waits, its steel vessel is cut from plate with fire and precision.
The flat steel begins to fold into a vessel strong enough to contain heat, oil, and pressure. Seam by seam, the tank is sealed to protect everything that will soon live inside it. These external channels will help the insulating oil release its heat to the air.
Every opening in the tank has a purpose, and every seal must be absolute.
Before sealing in the active part, the steel shell must be made impeccably clean. A protective skin now forms over the steel, preparing it for long service outdoors. Before oil can protect it, every trace of moisture must be driven out. The most delicate materials now enter a chamber where moisture is pulled away under strict control. In silence and heat, the paper insulation is dried to a state of absolute readiness. Now completely dry, the active part must move swiftly to its steel tank. Inside the tank, cleanliness must be as disciplined as the electrical design itself. The transformer's active heart is lowered into its vessel with careful, breath-held precision. Within the tank, the final hidden connections prepare the transformer for oil and voltage. The upper seal descends, bringing the transformer closer to its final enclosed form. Every bolt contributes to a seal that must remain trustworthy for years. Air is drawn away so oil can later reach every hidden channel inside. Under vacuum, the oil enters deeply, filling every space the air once occupied. Now the oil settles through paper, coil, and duct, becoming the transformer's internal shield. The cooling system is attached, ready to carry heat away from the oil in steady silence. These bushings will carry high voltage safely through the grounded tank wall. The transformer now receives the instruments that will quietly report its condition for years. This mechanism will later fine-tune voltage by shifting the effective turns of the winding. A final finish protects the surface and gives the machine its calm, imposing presence. Its identity is now fixed to the steel, along with every rating it is built to honor.
Finished in form, the transformer must now prove itself under controlled electrical stress.
The first checks confirm that each winding path is continuous, balanced, and true.
Now the ratio between windings is checked, ensuring voltage will be transformed exactly as intended. The hidden insulation is tested now, because unseen weakness can never be allowed to remain. Even at rest, the transformer reveals how efficiently its magnetic heart has been built. Under stronger conditions, the transformer must reveal stable losses and controlled impedance. Now the insulation faces the kind of stress it was built to survive without hesitation. A simulated surge strikes in an instant, and the transformer must remain completely unshaken. After electrical proof, the transformer is checked once more for the quiet integrity of its seals and oil.
Now proven and protected, the transformer is prepared for the long journey to the grid. Built through patience and precision, the finished giant now begins its journey outward.
From raw steel and copper to a silent guardian of the grid, The transformer leaves the factory ready for decades of power.